Hi everyone, welcome to Abstract Adventuring. I'm really happy that you're here and you're making time for your creativity. So before we get into the painting, I just wanted to give you a quick overview of what to expect. This is a mixed media mini class, which means what I'll be sharing with you is a mixed media project from start to finish, broken down into small, manageable chunks. So what I'm hoping is that it gives you plenty of time to create and that the videos are easy to follow while providing plenty of inspiration. So while it is a step-by-step process, I encourage you to put your own stamp on it. Bring in your own inspiration, use colours that you enjoy, make the most of the supplies that you already have. I always say to students, you don't need to use everything that I use and you don't need to do it exactly the way that I do it, unless of course you want to. So I'll leave that up to you. You might find it helpful to watch through the full class before you even get started. Many students enjoy doing that, and then the second time round they might have it on in the background while they're painting and you can paint along with me. So that's one way that you could approach it. I'm also very happy to answer questions. Don't hesitate to ask me about any of the techniques or the supplies that I'm using. So you are going to see me create 3 pieces that are part of a series. And I find it really helpful to work in a series. It's a way of kind of providing a container for my ideas, and it just helps bring clarity and focus to my art making. Okay. So this is one of the pieces, and you'll see that I've kept it very abstract. It's a mixed media piece, so I'm using quite a few different supplies, and there are a few little botanical references. And these pieces were all inspired by my experiences in nature. We have this one here, almost has a bit of a waterfall effect. And in the lesson, we'll learn more about how to create drips in our pieces and also how to strategically place them to get the most out of that effect. And the final one has more of a circular, scattered composition. And that's another area that we'll be looking at in this class, how to bring structure into your paintings to help them just have more visual strength. So thanks for joining the class. I hope you have a wonderful abstract adventure. And don't forget that there's a Facebook group as well where you can share your creations and get to know our fantastic online community.